In this lesson, we're going to learn about perimeter and especially the perimeter of a square. And we're going to do that with a word problem. So if we have a problem like this that says each side of a yard is 100 feet long, what is the perimeter of the yard? So we see this square yard here, and we have one side length of 100 feet. First thing to do is to know what perimeter means. The perimeter of a shape is the distance around the shape. So you would imagine yourself walking around the entire outside of the rectangle, and then you measure how much you walked. So you would start here, walk this 100 feet, then continue to this side, continue this way, and continue this way until finally you reach where you started. And that's walking the entire outside of the rectangle. The next step is to notice that not all the sides have lengths on them. And you need to know that all sides of a square are equal. Okay, so a square has all equal sides. So we could just put in 100 feet for all of these because we know this one is the same as this one, which is the same as this one, which is the same as this one, because it is a square. And as well, it tells us here in the problem, each side of a yard is 100 feet long. Okay, so now all we have to do is add all of the side lengths to get the perimeter. So we add 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 equals 400. So the perimeter formula for a square is the same as 4 times the length. So that equals 4 times 100. So that is what the perimeter of this square yard is. And don't worry if you don't get that right away, you could just rewatch the video. Also, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are like this, so you could check those out. As well, you could use the ebook. If you download the ebook, you could follow along this exact lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and to like.